Here it is, our farm worksheet. You have to repeat after me, okay? I'm going to point with the hand, the magic hand, an animal and the word, and you have to repeat after me, okay? So, let's start. What's this? It's a pig. Repeat. It's a pig. What's this? It's a cock. Repeat. It's a cock. What's this? It's a sheep. Repeat. It's a sheep. What's this? It's a rabbit. It's a rabbit. What's this? It's a duck. Repeat. It's a duck. What's this? It's a dog. Repeat. It's a dog. What's this? It's a cow. Repeat. It's a cow. And finally, what's this? It's a horse. It's a horse. There are, how many animals are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different animals in the farm. And in the middle, there is a farmer boy. Bye-bye.